It's Samsung G935F. It's binary for Eng Efs file for fix your phone's DRQ problem, baseband unknown. Remove your phone Payjoy rent center MDM, remove EFS, mount error for not opening, and many other problem will be solved with flushing this file. Download this file and select open Odin, select it PDA, then connect from download mode and just flush it. Tested file, we can use it without any risks.